Hi there, I'm Craig from Crafters Companion, and I'm here to show you our brand new subscription box. This is number 36, and this is all about our Scene Creator cards. Now have a look at some of the things that you can be making when it comes to using these dies. So these are Creator cards, but these are scene versions. Now these can be maybe in the middle of your cards, or what about popping them on the edge of your card? Looks elegant no matter which way you use them. So now that I've showed you what you could be making, let's have a look and see everything that you get within the box. So straight away, always nicely packaged, over 290 elements, and it makes a minimum of 24 cards when it comes to the mixed card blanks. So let's dive all the way in, all nicely wrapped with a little thank you card from Sarah. Now these are all about the Scene Creator card die. So this is what it's all about. Your two dies, you've got your toadstool and you've also got your florals here, enabling you to create your card, the scene card, on the edge of the card. So that is what comes in. Then what we're going to do is we're going to give you all these additional accessory embellishments. We've got our dew drops that we can see here. Now with these ones, leave them as they are, or maybe you want to colour them. But then what we've got is we've got some of the coloured petals. Now straight away this is going to show you or give you the idea of the theme colours of this collection. We can then go into our ribbon. So we've got our ribbon, and then within this one is our satin colour. So you can see you've got your greens, your blues and your pinks. We can then go into the card blanks. Now we've got a variety of different sizes, this one being 5 by 7, and in total you can make 24 cards. This one being your nice little ditty, C6, and then we're going into the last size being 6 by 6. So all of these come included, all matte, so you could stamp or you can ink on top of them if you want. But then we're not finished there. We give you the card blanks, so therefore you get the card envelopes to go with them as well. And then if you want to go all out and decorate, let's give you some of these patterned papers. 8 by 8, really good, heavy quality papers here. And as I said a minute ago with the gems and pearls, look at the colour tones that run all the way through. Also matte, so you may want to ink them up a little bit more. And then last but not least, we're giving you some more 8 by 8 papers. These are our pure colour tones that you can see here. So we've got our 5 different colours, so deep greens, mints, baby blues, peaches, a darker pink that we can see here that runs all the way through and complements the pattern papers like we've got here. So that is your 8 by 8 papers. You've got your pattern papers as well that comes included. Let's pop them nicely in here. We've still got the envelopes that come included. We've got our 3 different sizes of card blanks, 6 by 6, C6, your 5 by 7. We've then given you the satin ribbons. You've got your coloured petals. You've got your clear dewdrops, and then what it's all about is your Scene Creator cards. 2 of them there with the toadstool and the floral. As always, neat, tidy into our box. So that is our brand new subscription box, number 36, Scene Creator cards.